Sorry for the mask. There's a people around me, and region I'm living in is a city ordinance again, because stupid crap COVID spiked up again. So yeah, people are really nearby, and I have to wear this. It has been 4 months. Sincere apologies for all my subscribers. It is just a life and the world we living in. So hear me out. 4 months ago, my mom got diagnosed with breast cancer, and some of you unfortunate like her or family members like me, you know how that goes, all the procedures and everything else. So yeah, it was advanced, but hopefully they caught it. They caught it in time. It was a third stage, I think. They go by the stages, so I really don't know. I mean, my little head is about to pop like a balloon. It's been 4 shitty months. Yeah, usually I do knockers, but it's been crap. She had surgery, lymph nodes removal, and etc, etc, then a chemotherapy and everything else, and yeah, she wasn't doing that great, and then things started getting better and better. Please understand me, when you have something like that in a family happening, you don't think about anything else. Nothing else is important in the world, period. So, but things are getting better. She is doing good, and hopefully she will pull through this. So, yeah, that's why I was gone for 4 months. Now we are here for this thing behind me, which I absolutely freaking love. So let's talk about Lexus GX 460, and in my case, let's talk about second generation GX and what I love it so much. First of all, compared to the new one or a newer body style, I'm sorry for all of you with stupid spindle grill. This was the way to do it. Still maintains factory, I don't know how many inches higher clearance than the spindle grill one. Easier to modify. Basically everything else is the same, so you guys shouldn't be that upset. Now, talking about things that are the same, well, GX never changed since 2010. Everything is the same as as the first production one that came out. Same engine, same interior. I believe newer years they upgraded infotainment and maybe they did tweak out button or two, but nothing significant. So it's an all good proven platform. For some of you that don't know, GX is based on Land Cruiser Prado 150 for European market, Australia, etc, Japan, Asia, whatever. We never got Toyota 150 in the US, which is sad. It's a great car. I mean, especially good folks down under use it for overlanding, all the outdoor activities they do in the Australian desert, outback. This is the car they take, most of them, all of them, I don't know. But anyway, it's a proven platform. Well, one benefit that we have in the US, because it's the engine in this thing, and what I'm talking about, it's a 4.6 liter V8 engine. Toyota Prado 150 never came with a V8, comes with I believe earlier years was a 6-cylinder, and then newer years came with a 4-cylinder. They had a couple variants of diesels and blah blah blah. So yeah, so I guess us in the States, we got lucky with a good old V8. This vehicle does not have that many negatives. Yeah, it's a bad fuel economy, but that's what you get from the old-fashioned V8. It's that simple. But the benefits are easy to fix. You can work on it yourself. Not overwhelmed with the stupid electronics. Yeah, that's where the crappy fuel economy comes. But yeah, if you find something like this, who cares about that? You know you have a reliable engine that's going to serve you for, God, couple decades. Off-road capability with a 4-wheel drive, high-low, central diff lock, crawl control, you name it. I mean, I don't have to go through those details, you guys know. If you want to push it to extreme, lift this thing 2 inches, good shocks, good tires, you're good to go. So you got the whole full spectrum of how capable this thing is. Capable to hold things, to carry the goodies, carry folks around, long trips, off-road adventures, you name it. And it's just that simple. So there is not much to say. I mean, I can brag and pick on the small details. Oh, it's great with this, it's great for that. No, it's just good in everything that does. Making sure you have a couple canisters of fuel attached somewhere on the roof or on the back of your vehicle, and you are good to go. Also, let's mention, Lexus has been in the past, I don't know how many years, the most reliable brand in the market. And as other people's research, GX, it's one of the most reliable Lexus models. So literally, you just can't go wrong. They don't make them like they used to. Now they're coming up with all these crossover things, and they suck. Bad news is, I also online kind of did come across a couple forums that they're talking about the Lexus will discontinue this thing and come up with some smaller engine and some other nonsense, which is a shame. To me, there is no negatives with this thing. I literally love it. I will never sell this car, and maybe not even then. So that's all for me, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.